In today's video, I am going to teach you how to sell digital products using Stripe. To begin, make sure you are already logged into your Stripe dashboard. Once you are on the dashboard, look to the left-hand navigation menu and click Product Catalog. This is where you can create and manage the items you want to sell. Next, click Add Product. Stripe will open a form where you can enter the details for your digital product. Start by typing the name of your product. Make sure the name is clear and easy for customers to understand. After that, enter a description. Use this space to explain what the customer will receive after purchase. If you want, you can also upload a product image. This step is optional, but adding an image can help make your product look more polished and professional. Now move to the pricing section. Here, you will choose how you want to charge for the product. If you are selling the product as a one-time purchase, select one-off. If you want to charge customers on a repeating basis, such as for a subscription, choose recurring instead. After selecting the pricing type, enter the amount you want to charge and choose the correct currency. If you selected a recurring price, also choose the billing period that fits your offer. Once all of the product details and pricing information are complete, click Add Product. Stripe will save the product and make it available for checkout. After creating the product, go back to the left-hand navigation menu and click Payment Links. Then click Create Payment Link. Stripe will ask you to choose the product you want to sell, so select the digital product you just created. On the next screen, review the checkout settings carefully. This is where you can confirm that everything looks correct before sharing the link with customers. When you are ready, click Create Link. Stripe will generate a payment link for your product. Now copy that payment link and share it with your customers. You can place it on your website, include it in an email, or send it anywhere you want customers to access your checkout page. When they open the link, they will be able to complete the purchase securely through Stripe. Thanks for watching. That covers everything you need to know.